Greetings again from Wizard Workshops, and now it is going to go through yet another metamorphosis into Wonder Workshops, which will be a focus for all the workshops that we teach. Here's one of the labyrinths, the 3-meter one, looking a bit crumpled, but I've just got them out from this back shed. And now here's the, I think it's 6-meter labyrinth, which I never finished, the Tree of Life process labyrinth. I've just put in the 5 colors, the primary sectors on this process tree. And the girls have left, the seamstresses have left the room, and we have back, or I have back, this magnificent space. And it is the gallery, the Wonder Workshops gallery, no less. So let me know what you think of the labyrinth and whether you want me to explain it by walking it. I also have a blog called fourphase.org, and that does have a free printable one of these, except it's small enough to put on an alarm clock and go through the 4 phases of process. So these are some of the these things, transparencies that can stick onto any clock face. This one is a clock face inside the glass, but that I discovered was a little bit time-consuming, but this could be downloaded from fourphase.org for free, and you can stick it onto a clock face and practice having magical meetings with the 4 phases in succession. So you have openness and listening. Love and listening is always first, always. You start with love and listening. That way you get new input. So there we are, beautiful blue sky thinking. And then when you've agreed that you've got all the new input that is relevant, and then what is, then you go to what may be, which is my favorite phase or sector, which is, of course, novelty. And that one is water, this one is fire, because it's the fire of novelty, new things. And it can spread and be processed in this lovely sector, which is logic, and it's love, truth. We're looking for the truth about what is best at this time of all the ideas we have. Then once you've decided what's best and planned, then you come along to the glorious red phase, which is when you say, after saying all the other questions, this is where you say who, where, when, and how. And finally, out into the world again with new purpose and freedom. The red is freedom because there's a freedom that only comes when you know what you're doing and what your plan is, what your values are, and that is fully grounded in the most rigorous process of seeing what is, seeing what might be, seeing what is best, and finally then you can do with great freedom. And in case you're wondering, the middle represents the status quo, what we have already done, previous phases, previous layers, previous incarnations of whatever this beautiful tree represents, whether it's a society, a group, a church, an institution of any kind, or a business. So with that, I guess I will say au revoir, and do join, do like, do subscribe, because this place is going to be full of wonder.